so nice out today. Fresh, beautiful Alaska, my harbor. I'm going to show you just a little bit around the harbor here because we got the gorge. There's my lighthouse. It's so pretty, and I'm just so thankful to be able to have such a beautiful harbor, a beautiful day. We're kind of in between the raindrops, honestly, but that's okay because we are excited to be here. I love this harbor. It is so beautiful, and it's a good place to come and have peace and relax. I mean, I just can't help but come here today, so I thought I'd shoot a quick video so you guys could see it too. It's so peaceful here. The main thing you can hear probably is the birds, which is crazy, but hey, that's the way it goes. And you know, guys, I wanted to talk to you about what the biggest problem is for entrepreneurs online, and this is, you know, when people are winners, they do a lot of training, educate, and learn stuff, right? And losers usually end up complaining. And we don't want to be that, right? We don't want to be a loser. When people do that because they want more, but they're not willing to do the work to get there, right? And we want to be a winner. We want to be educated. We want to learn new stuff, and we want to reach new goals, right? I mean, absolutely. And so the biggest problem we can solve for internet marketers is traffic, right? Traffic is important, always here. It's the lifeblood of your business, right? And traffic is so important for that, right? You got to have people if you're going to have sales, and if you don't get sales, you don't really have a business, right? So we're going to talk about it. We're definitely going to talk about what is important about it and what you can do to change it, right? I mean, you know, people usually get traffic. I mean, are you familiar like with solo ads, or you get traffic from, let's say, Facebook ads, or you can buy clicks, or, you know, I used to do Safeless, right? I mean, there's a variety of traffic, but the one thing about traffic we know for sure, there's no guarantees, right? On the return. You can spend hundreds of dollars and get nothing back. Now, how long can you run a business when that happens? You know, not very long. And I'm telling you, I know, I have been there. I have spent thousands of dollars on traffic, and I was so excited, and then it was not good, right? Not good, and we don't want that. We want traffic that works and converts. We want to be able to have a thriving business, right? So, you know, I've made over 10K consistently because of this traffic. I get paid every single week because we have what you call hungry buyers. Who doesn't love that? People that are ready to get involved. Hungry buyers, and that is so key. Then we train you how to get organic traffic, and you put those two together and you've got a winning combination. Absolutely. I mean, I've made over 10K, and I'm going to put a video when this is over in the comments that is proof from my back office that shows you I made 10K. So you know what I'm talking about is true, because people struggle with having eyeballs on their business. They do. And we have the most incredible traffic you could ever know. I've been online working a long time, and this is just the answer. Solves the problem, really. And I'm just so thankful, and it is a training and an education that you definitely need if you want to be a winner, right? And I do, and I love what I'm doing. I'm excited to share with you, and I appreciate you guys getting on today. I hope you can see the view. You know, funny thing is it gets dark about 3:20 here in Alaska, so we're on that edge, but a lot of times it's probably the prettiest just before dark too. So I'm really happy to be able to share my view and problem solving here, because it's important for every one of us to have a thriving business. So I appreciate you getting on and watching today, and thank you. The wind is picking up, so I'm ready to get off. Thanks for joining me today. I appreciate you.